Oh, look at the storm we're in. Look at this. This was not in the forecast. We all checked. This is a brown ground usually. Yeah, you don't want to get wet and cold. Old tent, wasn't expecting any weather. Look at this. It's snowing on us. The kids all just took refuge in the big tent. So I'm gonna lay down and camp right now. It's covered. Got us. Kylie's back there in the tent with Zoe. Jared, they're playing games. Okay, storm just ended. Sun's out, no clouds in the sky anymore. Holy moly.